Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Snapchat login problem. So guys, when you have login your Snapchat account and facing any kind of error related to login, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back. After going to back, simply you have to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys, first of all you have to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And after doing this you have to go back, scroll it below, click on general. So guys, maybe there is network error, simply you have to reset your network settings. So guys, by doing this method and after doing this you have to go back. Secondly, you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. And after doing this you have to go back. And guys, simply you have to check your date and time, make sure that date and time is set on automatically. And after doing this you have to go back. And guys, simply you have to open your app store if you are using iPhone, and if you are using Android, simply you have to open your Play Store on that phone and search here Snapchat. And after this you have to wait for some seconds, click on your Snapchat, and guys, make sure that your app is updated. So guys, if not updated, simply you have to update your app. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, maybe there is error on your iOS device. So guys, simply you have to open your settings, click on general, click on software update, and you need to check for update on your iPhone. And guys, if have any kind of update here, you need to update your iPhone. And after doing this you have to click on iPhone storage. And guys, simply you have to wait for some seconds, scroll it below, click on Snapchat, and guys, you need to offload your Snapchat app. And after this you need to reinstall again from here again. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. And guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.